This is the Pavo Pico V2 Flight 3. Number one, my camera is not blurred now because it's not that humid outside. Number two, Pavo Pico got a lot of batteries, a lot of 2S batteries. Number four, I forgot to bring my SD card. So I'm going to be using the drone internal storage, but also recording in my goggles. So it should be good. Arm. So our hover for this angle is around 40% throttle, which is really nice. The connection is still going really good. I am super surprised right now. We have 50 seconds of flight time. Whoa! Oh my god. Holy moly, I almost did not pull out of that one. And then let's do an aileron roll. Whoa, 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 what was that? Propellers aren't happy. Oh, I gotta go back, I gotta come back. You saw that? This thing just fell out of nowhere, but this is not how it should be. Let's do our second flight. Let's go. It doesn't like power loops, definitely not. I actually want to try go down a mountain. Here's me taking maximum risk and maybe gonna lose my drone. Oh look, there's a staircase there, so maybe you can recover it. The chances of recovering are small. It's how big of the risks you take. Oh my god, that was extremely aggressive. I'm gonna count to 3 and we're gonna go full throttle on the thing. Alright? So, 3, 2, 1. Holy no. Oh god. Oh. There was a bit of it can do these smooth. Can I fly between these two? That's amazing. Smooth landing, let's go. It's good to take risks, but you know what? Maybe not. Cause like there's a DJI O3 unit in here and it costs a lot. Oh this is hot. Like, I'm not an expert at this. Let's do it. Take off. My goggles are doing good in terms of connection. What? I'm up here now. Whoa. Perfect. So I'm learning how to do smooth landings at a, like, I guess slight camera angle. But if the camera angle, like, if it's at like 30-35 degrees, I cannot do it. You know those shots where they like, you know, front flip? I don't know. I'm gonna try that for our final battery. So I'm gonna go here and watch this, I'm gonna track. Oh, it just flipped. It continued flipping. What is that? What was that? I will do a little dive. Okay, I gotta come back. Alright, looking awesome. Final comments about this drone. I feel like this drone is just not meant for freestyle. It's good to have a drone like this to film cinematic shots, just in case maybe a client just tells you, oh, we want cinematic shots for this and this and this, right? So it's really good to have this drone here. And it's small, people are gonna feel safe around it because there are propeller guards, and it's not as noisy as the DJI FPV, and it's literally like a flying weapon. As my first FPV Cinewhoop, this is a 9.5 out of 10. I saw this thing, it's called something 35. So that drone can do like cinematic shots, it can be a Cinewhoop, it can be a freestyle, and it can just be anything you want, and it also records high quality footage because it also uses DJI O3 in it, but you can put a GoPro on top. Anyways, this is all I really wanted to say, and this drone is a great drone for beginners who want to get into Cinewhooping, and good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.